When it comes to project management at Pune Gas, I think one of our biggest strengths is that we are process driven. We have an experience to do projects in the LPG and oil industry for the last 36 years, and I think that's a major advantage. Firstly, because we have the design skill set, and then we have the planning skill set, so we know exactly how much time it's going to take to do a particular task in a project. And I think we've been following that for a very long time now, and I think that anticipation of what problems could come is something that I think is one of the biggest strengths at Pune Gas, which is why we are able to plan better. And our constant day-to-day monitoring of each and every project that's ongoing is something that really helps us strengthen our process. Communication is, I think, the most important thing that's required in project management. Especially for us, we have about 40 to 50 projects going on each and every day at different sites, and it's really easy to miss out on some important details that may lead to a lag. So we make sure we do small things. We check in with the client on a daily basis. We make small WhatsApp groups, and we make sure that information is relayed to the customer daily. And I think what's important is to have as many weekly catch-ups and meetings with the client, which are always initiated by Pune Gas. So that's something that helps us, overlook any tiny delays that may lead to a major delay in the project.